Hello students, this is continuation of exercise 2.2 chapter 2. Question 14. Lakshmi is a cashier in bank. She has currency notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and 10 respectively. The ratio of the numbers of these notes is 5:2:3. That means Lakshmi is having three types of notes, that is of rupees 100, 50 and 10, and she is having these notes in the ratio of 2:3:5. So the total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh rupees. How many notes of each denomination does she have? The question asks that if she is having rupees 100 notes, so how many 100 notes she is having? Or for 50, how many rupees 50 notes she is having? And similarly for 10 rupees notes. So we can assume here that let the number of rupees 100 notes be 2x, and similarly for 53x, and for 10 5x, because this ratio is given in the respective manner. So we can let that 2x is the number of notes she is having of rupees 100. Similarly 3x is the number of notes she is having for rupees 50, and 5x is the number of notes she is having for rupees 10. So total cash with Lakshmi is 4 lakh. So the value, now see here, the total cash, the total amount, the total value the Lakshmi is having is given, that is 4 lakh. But here what we have taken 2x, 3x and 5x are the number of notes. We don't know what is the value of that rupees 100 note, that rupees 50 note or 10 rupees note. So for that, first we need to find the value of 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note. Fine. So for 100 rupees note, how many notes we are having? 2x. For 2x and denomination is 100. So this will become, value will become 200x. Like you can think this like that of, you are having 10 rupees note and the number of notes you are having is 2. So what is the value of that note? Obviously 2 into 10, that is 20. Total value you are having is 20. That is what we have done in this part. In this part, we have found the value of 100, 50 and 10 rupees notes. So similarly, we'll do for 50 and 10 also. Now, when we'll add up for these values, we'll get 200 plus 150 plus 50x is equals to 4 lakh rupees. And when you'll solve it, you'll get the x is 1000. X is 1000. So the number of 100 rupees note we assumed was 2x. So here we can find its value by putting the value of x over here. So 2 into 1000 will become 2000. Similarly for 50 was 3x. So 3 into 1000 will become 3000. And for 10, 5x was there. So 5 into 1000 will become 5000. So these many notes they are having for that particular or that respective dominations. Okay. Now question number 16. Question number 16 reads, the organizer of an essay competition decides that a winner in the competition gets a prize of rupees 100. So in an essay competition, a winner is getting rupees 100. And a participant who does not win gets a prize of 25. That means the winner is getting 50 and non-winner is getting 25 rupees. And the total prize money distributed in this process is 3000. So 3000 rupees was spent in distributing this prize money. To find the number of winners, the total participant is 63. So we can write the given information as the winner's prize is rupees 100, non-winner's prize is rupees 25 and total number of participants is 63. Now total prize money distributed is also given 3000. So let the total number of winners that we need to find out, we'll take it as x. That let us suppose that total number of winners are x. So how many of them are non-winners? Total participants were 63. So when total participants were 63, I can say that winners are x, total participants are 63. So 63 minus x will be non-winners. Okay, non-winners. So see, so total money distributed to winners, 100 multiplied by x. X were the number of winners and how much money was distributed to them? 100 rupees. So total money spent for winners is 100 into x, that is 100x rupees, and total money distributed to non-winners, they were getting rupees 25. So 25 multiplied by number of non-winners will be 63 minus x. Now when you solve this, how you will solve this? You know that the total value is given, that how much money was spent in distributing this prize money, 3000. So we'll add the we'll add the value of winners prize money and non-winners prize money and add up for 3000. When you solve this, here you will use distributive property, and when you solve this, you will get the value of x as 19. And here we need how we were supposed to find x, right? So here the value of x is 19. That means the total number of winners were 19, and this is the solution for this question.